If you want a reminder of just how small we are, just look at the animal kingdom. Whether they are from the land or the sea or even the past, these creatures are larger than life. Here are the largest creatures ever discovered. Before we get going, subscribe to our channel and get new discoveries every day from the richest. Goliath. Goliath was a tortoise that earned himself a Guinness World Record for being the largest tortoise in the world. He weighed 919 pounds, was 4 feet long, over 2 feet high, and over 3 feet wide. In 1960, Goliath came from the Galapagos Santa Cruz Island as a hatchling and took up residence at the Seffner's Life Fellowship Bird Sanctuary. While tortoises typically reach their peak height at the age of 30, Goliath just kept on growing. Blue whale. The largest known animal on Earth that is still with us today is the blue whale. Their length can measure up to be 100 feet long and weigh over 150 tons. Their hearts are so large that children can play inside of them like playground equipment. The head of the blue whale is so large that about 50 people can stand on its tongue. The largest blue whale ever discovered was a female that weighed 389,760 pounds. Goliath bird eater. The Goliath bird eater is the largest known spider in the world, and if you want to ruin your view on cute baby animals, this spider can be the size of a puppy. The bird eater is a tarantula, and some of the largest specimens grow to be around a foot long. For anyone who is afraid of spiders, we have some good news for you. These large spiders are normally found in the northern part of South America, so you know which parts of the world to avoid. Paraceratherium. Paraceratherium was a hornless rhinoceros that lived during the Oligocene epoch, between 23 and 34 million years ago, and it is believed to be one of the largest mammals that has ever existed. Because the fossils of this massive creature are incomplete, scientists can only guess its measurements. It was believed to have weighed anywhere from 15 to 20 tons with a length of over 24 feet and a shoulder height of about 16 feet high. African elephant. The African elephant is one of the largest creatures on land, standing tall at a height of up to 13 feet. They are herbivores, and the females have a gestation period of 22 months because it takes a while to develop and grow such a massive creature. They can weigh anywhere between 5,000 and 14,000 pounds, and they have an impressive lifespan of an average of 70 years. Arthropleura. If you're squeamish about anything with lots of legs, this next one might make you a bit nervous. The Arthropleura is an ancestor to millipedes and centipedes, but it was much larger than anyone could have ever imagined, even in their nightmares. The Arthropleura lived in prehistoric times about 300 million years ago and was an herbivore, but its massive size probably could have made a carnivorous lifestyle possible. Imagine having this 8-foot insect brush up against you. Ugh. Argentinosaurus. Argentinosaurus, which translates to Argentine lizard, was a large herbivore that lived in Argentina during the late Cretaceous epoch between 94 and 97 million years ago. The remains of this massive beast were discovered in 1987 by a rancher who thought a bone was a piece of petrified wood. The length of this creature measured between 98 and 115 feet, with a weight of up to 110 tons, depending on the specific specimen. For example, a restored skeleton that is mounted in Museo Carmen Funes measures to 130 feet long and 24 feet high. It pretty much made a T-Rex look small. Reticulated python. The reticulated python is the longest snake in the world and is one of the 3 heaviest snakes in existence. They are non-venomous, but they are very strong constrictors. While they are strong enough to kill a human being, attacks from these pythons are rare. One reticulated python named Colossus was measured to be a whopping 23 feet and 11 inches long. But there have been others that have been measured at over 30 feet long and can weigh anywhere between 70 and 350 pounds. If you want to catch a glimpse of this large creature, then you're going to need to head over to Southeast Asia. The giant teratorn. The remains of this massive bird were discovered in Argentina, and it was believed to have lived about 6 million years ago during the Miocene period. Its scientific name is Argentavis magnificens, but it is simply known as the giant teratorn. It has a wingspan between 23 and 30 feet, over doubling, if not tripling, the wingspan of an albatross. With its massive size, this creature likely had a long lifespan and was a very good walker based on the size of its massive legs. Kaikai-Filu. Discovered in the 66-million-year-old rocks of Antarctica, the Kaikai-Filu is a giant sea lizard that was about 10 meters long and was one of the most ruthless marine-based predators ever discovered in the area. It survived by eating filter-feeding reptiles that also lived in the water. But how did this giant sea lizard live and survive in Antarctica of all places? The continent was much warmer in that time of its existence, which was also the end of the age of the dinosaurs. And we're done! If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments, and maybe even give us a like and a subscribe for more crazy content from the richest.